In this question 13, first entry is given for purchase of different assets, and these are land and building account debit for 20 lakh, then stock debited, stock account debit, that is 5 lakh, then debtors, sundry debtors, account debit, that is 2,50,000, and two sundry creditors account, that is 2 lakh. And also here you have to write the purchase consideration, that will be to vendors account, this amount you have balance, and for this amount you have to do one working note. Okay, for this amount, what will be the amount of consideration, you have to do one working note. Look at that, the working note that I am doing here. How much the purchase consideration? It is bank draft 16 lakh, and also shares, how much it is? That the 50,000 shares at the premium of 10%, then it will be 50,000 into 22. 22 from where? 20 का कितना परसेंट प्रीमियम है? 10%. 20 इज अ फेस वैल्यू. 10% प्रीमियम निकाले तो कितना आया? दैट इज 2. तो 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. तो share will be 11 lakh. So total consideration is 27 lakh. So this 27 lakh you have to put it in this, that is 27 lakh. Clear? That is 27 lakhs. Now the next entry for the payment of vendors will be vendors account debit to equity share capital account to SPR account. So how much is the share? What you have to write in vendors? In vendors you have to write from top entry, that is 27 lakh. So 27 lakh. Clear? And how much share you are issuing? 50,000 shares into face value was 20, and also 50,000 into premium value was 2. Now here it will be, and also check is payment to bank account, that is 16 lakh. 16 lakh paid through check, bank draft, and here 1 lakh, and here 10 lakh. Now 10 plus 1, 11 plus 16, 27. Now this entry is completed. But one thing is, remember in first entry that what you have to do, you have to balance कि debit is greater or credit is greater. So look at that, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 2, 27 lakh 50,000, and here 29 lakh. So credit is greater. So in debit, what you have to write again? What you have to debit? Goodwill account. Goodwill account, debit, how much? From 9 lakhs, you have to subtract 27 lakh 50,000. It will be 1 lakh 50,000. That is your balancing figure.